What I've done so far is I've taken the older seat post clamp off, gotten myself a new seat post clamp. This is not a quick release clamp, and I'm not really all that keen on quick release clamps anyway. It just makes it easier for people to take stuff off your bike, I think. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this simple one on. Stick that right there, just like that. And I'm also going to change out the seat post and the seat. So this was the old seat here. It's just a basic seat and the seat post. But what I don't like about this is just the mechanism here. And the way it clamps onto the seat, it just makes it hard to adjust. And this is a nice aluminum, looks like it's a Buntragger seat post. And it's the new style clamp. And here's the seat I'm going to use as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use this seat. It's a slightly more comfortable, well, actually quite a bit more comfortable seat. It's got much more area on top. On the bottom it's got springs, so it's just makes it a little bit more smoother to ride. And so this post here will work with the seat very well. So looking at this bolt down here, it looks like this bike probably used to have a kickstand, but it looks like the previous owner must have removed it, and now all that remains is this rusted bolt. So I went through my old spare parts pile of stuff and I found a kickstand I can use. However, this kickstand's kind of crusty and it just looks pretty ugly. I'm gonna see if I could go ahead and clean this up a little bit, make it look a little nicer.